Welcome back to in this series of MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil, and in this video we are going to work on nested while, break and continue statement. So let's get started. Nested while loop means while loop inside while loop. So now let's move towards syntax and flowchart of nested while loop, and then we are going to work on break and continue statement. So here now we have syntax for nested while loop. So in that, first we add while, then expression, and then statement for that while loop, and inside that we again add one more while, and then expression for that while, and then statement for that while, and then we ends inside while loop, and after that we ends our outside while loop. So here we have code that we used in previous video of this series to print out hello world 3 times. So now we are going to work on nested statement by implementing this code. So now we are going to implement as, after printing hello world one time, we want to print 2 times Pankaj, and after that again 2 times hello world. So now let's move to code. So now we are going to add nested while statement. So let's save this file as nested underscore while underscore hello.m. So now let's change, as we have I equal to 1, so let's change this as x equal to 1, and let's add after that y equal to 1. So here we have while x is lower than or equal to 3, and then if printf hello world \n. After that let's add nested while statement. So while x is lower than or equal to 2, and in that let's add printf open parenthesis close parenthesis double quote, and in that Pankaj \n and semicolon. So let's change x as y in nested while statement. So what it is going to do, sorry, we forgot to add increment. So let's say on next line y equal to y plus 1 semicolon, and after end let's add x equal to x plus 1 semicolon. So we're done with our code. So what it is going to do, firstly it is going to take x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, then it is going to run first statement, which is while x is lower than or equal to 3. So it is going to first print one time hello world, and after that it is going to next nested while statement, and it is going to print Pankaj by incrementing 2 times, and after that it is going to increment x, and it is going to print hello world 2 times. So like this we have our code. So now let's save this code and try to run this code. So here we got output like which we want. So 1 times hello world, 2 times Pankaj, and again 2 times hello world, because our nested statement is going to print only after first iteration of while. So now let's change x as 4. So it is going to print nothing because we have more than 3. Now let's change y equal to 4, and let's run this code. So it is going to print only hello world because y is not lower than 2. So we want x and y is lower than 2 and 3 and 2, because we added statement like this, then only that statements are going to run. So now we are going to talk about break and continue statement. So what means break statement? So break statement is used inside of loop, means we cannot use break statement outside of loop. We need to use this break statement only inside of loops, and it ends execution of loops. So by using break statement we can end our execution of loops in for loop or while loop. When we use this break statement, so it directly ends our execution. So now we are going to talk about continue statement. So continue statement is used inside of loop only. We cannot use continue statement outside of loop. It is used in each loop, for loop or while loop. Suppose we used continue statement in for loop or while loop. So what it does, it skips our current iteration and it directly goes to next iteration. So like that we have break statement and continue statement. So now let's try to use break statement after 4th line. So let's add break statement at fifth line of this code, and now let's save and run this code. So it is going to print hello world only one time. After first iteration at break statement, it is going to break our loop and it is going to print only one time hello world. So break statement breaks our loop. Now let's use continue statement instead of break statement. So continue statement is going to continue our first iteration only, and it is not going to look at next lines of code. So it is going to print hello world only again and again. It is not going to check incrementation is going or not. It is going to continue only the code before continue statement. So like that we have continue statement and break statement and nested while statement. So I think you understand these codes.